Welcome to Das Geek. So, we're going to Red Hat Summit for the first time, May 6th through the 9th. We, as in me, myself, and Michael from Destination Linux podcast. We're both part of that podcast, by the way, along with Jill. Unfortunately, Jill wasn't able to make it this year, but Michael and I will be there. So we hope to see you May 6th through the 9th at the Red Hat Summit if you're able to make it. And we'll, of course, be doing some content from there as well. So if you're not able to make it, we're going to let you know what it's all about, because we've never been either. So it's very exciting for everybody. But the Red Hat team sent some swag over. I hope they sent it to just me and not Michael, which would give me some serious bragging rights, but I'm sure they sent some to him too. But what's got me curious, I've not opened this box here, is first of all, the box is huge, like really big. You can see there's a lot of stuff that they packed in here. I didn't expect to get a box of this magnitude sent to me. Number two, and what I'm really curious about, is they asked for my shoe size. Now, I've been to events where, you get a t-shirt and maybe a bag or something like that, but never asked for my shoe size. So I'm wondering, are there some Red Hat shoes in here? I'm very excited to get into this, and I thought, why not share it with all of you, because I know some of you have never had the opportunity to go to Red Hat Summit either, and so just trying to share this experience, hoping you enjoy it. So trusty pair of scissors here, and let's get into this box. This is kind of a unique unboxing, the Red Hat Summit box. I don't know, am I even supposed to show this stuff? Like, maybe I'm not. Maybe this is supposed to be like exclusive thing, but they didn't say so, so. I mean, if you're not breaking rules, what are you doing right? All right, so let's see what we got here. Well, first of all, Red Hat. Wow, look at this. I expected a bag, like I said, but I did not expect. First of all, it's packed full of everything, but this thing is really, really nice. We got a cup on the side. It's a High Sierra bag, super classy. Obviously, this is fantastic for hauling around the summit. And one day, when I get a chance to go to DEF CON, so this was on my bucket list to go to Red Hat Summit, but DEF CON's also on my bucket list. It'd be a great backpack to haul around there too as well. And you can't go around and not be hydrated, so you've got your nice Red Hat drink mug here, water holder, cold 24 hours, Swig Life. Very, very nice. Again, awesome branding by the Red Hat team there. Super, super nice. I see the shoes. I'm going to save those for last. There is a box of shoes from a brand that I do happen to love. I'm very happy they're not Crocs. I could give you that hint right away. So let's get into the bag and see what kind of other stuff is in here, because this is packed full of stuff. And huge shout out, by the way, to Callie. I'm not going to say the last name because I don't know that they want their last name shown, but Callie's the one who got my information and sent this over, and really appreciate getting this over so quickly. Okay, nothing in that pocket, so we're going into the main bag now. And okay, this is interesting. So it looks like we have some, what is this, pickleball badminton things here. Let's open these up. We got these plastic things. I don't know I don't play these type of sports. Well, maybe I'll start now that I've got a little set here. And are they Red Hat branded? They are. Look at that. That's pretty dope. And then on the other side, pretty awesome. So, racquetball, pickleball. I don't know what that is, but very cool. Very nice little set there. Very unexpected addition of something to brand on. One of my favorite things in the world, a hat. Got a nice Red Hat hat. I have, I don't know, 30, 40 different hats. You all know I love my hats. And Red Hat hat, definitely very nice. J America headwear. Nice little subtle Red Hat branding there. I love my beanies, and got another Red Hat beanie. Thankfully, the awesome employees at Red Hat had sent me one before, which I really appreciate. This is really nice embroidery there on that. So very cool. And this looks like a shirt in my size, which is XXL. So they had so we've got a nice shirt to wear at the conference there. And Red Hat Summit Ansible Fest. It's on. So I have some cool swag to fit in there. Oh my gosh, they have packed this thing full of stuff. Holy moly. Got some Soundcore headphones, which is insane. So they actually gave headphones as well. High-res audio, 60-hour playtime. Soundcore by Anker. Doesn't look to be branded Red Hat, but incredible gift. Really, truly incredible to have that by Anker. Very nice. So something fantastic for the plane and for people traveling to have a pair of headphones with them, and Red Hat's got you covered on that. So again, thank you very much, Red Hat, for that. And when you're traveling, of course, you need a battery, a backup battery, because things are always dying, and highly recommend from a security standpoint you don't plug in to USB outlets and things that are in airports, because those have been discovered to be hijacked at times, just like they do with credit cards, where they spoof the credit card swiper. They do that with the USB ports in public areas as well. So really thoughtful, awesome gift there to have an Anker battery to add in. And there's more. The Rocketbook, Red Hat Rocketbook. So I actually love the Rocketbooks. They had one back in the day that you would microwave to erase the ink, but essentially this would be perfect as we're attending the various conferences to, now you don't have to microwave them, by the way, to take notes on and things, and then you can scan the QR code and upload your notes into their app and things like that. It's just a really cool, reusable notebook, and I love that I now have a Red Hat branded version of this. That's freaking awesome. I'm going to absolutely enjoy the heck out of that. So thank you, Red Hat. Very awesome swag so far. Like, best swag I think I've ever gotten from a conference or anything else. This is beyond expectations by a lot. And now we have an amazing, we're going to Denver, Colorado. That's where Red Hat Summit's going to be. Could be chilly there. Don't know what the weather's going to be like, but amazingly warm and nice soft hoodie here from Storm Creek. So I'm not a big brand person. Maybe that's a fancy brand or just a good brand. I don't know, but it feels very high quality and very, very nice branding, very subtle there. So I think, as if that's not enough, I think that's it. Oh, nope, there's more. Red Hat socks, because I'm going to be sporting some Red Hat socks, without a doubt. And apparently I have some new shoes to do that with. So again, beautiful, wow, amazing swag. Like, everything in here too is extremely useful for those who are traveling, which is really cool. Whoever put this together obviously had a fantastic budget, which is very nice, but also was very thoughtful in how they put things together. Now, very excited about this, because if these are branded, like, bands are cool by themselves, but if these are branded Red Hat bands, I'm gonna geek squeal. I'm letting y'all know. Let's see here. I'm not. Look at them. Look at it. Look at it. Now respect it. Look at that. That is so dope. Oh, and we got the Red Hat branding on the back as well. Hopefully you can all see that. I hope this video, audio, and everything's working. I'm doing this off of a new Sony camera, and hopefully it's got the audio and stuff, because that's just, look at those shoes, dude. Dudes, look at this. Unbelievable. This very, very, very cool. And there's a card in here. Let's see what they say in the card again. Red Hat, thank you for inviting us. Such an honor to attend Red Hat Summit. And this just says, we're excited you're coming to Red Hat Summit and Ansible Fest. We hope these goodies will come in handy for you, your trip to Denver. Don't forget to join the conversation on social media at hashtag Red Hat Summit and Ansible Fest. Boom. Look, I couldn't be more excited to see all of you that will be there at Red Hat, all of the friends I have that work at Red Hat. Incredible company, does incredible things, and really appreciate the swag. Extremely thoughtful. Thank you. Sorry it's been a while since I've been doing videos. Got college, full-time work, podcast, all this stuff going on. So I'm trying to get more content out to you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, get out there and fill your brains.